Hey kids, let's sing the ABC song together. Clap your hands, smile big, and sing along. A is for apple, so red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on the street. C is for cat with a soft little purr. D is for dog that goes grrr, grrr, grrr. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for giraffe, tall and neat. H is for hat you wear on your head so sweet. I is for igloo, cold and round. J is for jumping up and down. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest in a gentle breeze. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow that comes down. S is for sun shining bright. T is for train going left and right. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin playing a tune again. W is for whale swimming far and wide. X is for xylophone, play it with pride. Y is for yo-yo spinning around. Z is for zebra running on the ground. Now you know your ABC, sing again and dance with me. Great job, friends. You sang the ABCs. Come back soon for more songs and fun with me.